Very good afternoon to the little ones who have come here. Today is your day. Today, your citation day is a day on which we honor, or the school honors, the children. It's a big occasion in their lives, the first stepping stone. So, it is not only what the children have achieved, but it is the hard work put in by the teachers, which I would like to recognize on this platform, because without teachers, we will not be able to mold our children. So, and I'm sure the teachers are doing a fantastic job, because I can see the happy faces among the parents and the very joyous children. You can see that the children are happy to be a part of this school, and that is very important because our children spend so much of time away from the house. School is the second house for the child. So, when I asked, na teachers kitta keta unga school la paadhathu thavara vera enna seringa unga school la solumbodhu or periya list kudutanga. I was amazed. I was truly amazed. And just now with the presentation took half an hour, but there was so much that the principal had to tell us. So, I mean, I think the half an hour was too little for all that she had to tell us. Amazing. So, we are going back. Acharya School, from what I can see, you are going back to the traditional national way of teaching. India is a leader when it comes to education. It is not something, education in India is not something new. Education, India is known for its intelligence, producing mathematical wonders over the centuries. So, when I saw the different methods being imparted here, I was truly amazed, because it is holistic education. Okay, paadam mattum kathu kudukama, they are teaching co-curricular and extracurricular activities and lessons through those activities. So they are not pure enjoyment. The activities are combined with life's lessons, and that is what we need today in society. So, in keeping with Tirumati Kavita's example of a tree, there is a saying, from tiny seeds we grow mighty trees. எவ்வளோ பெரிய மரம் இருந்தாலும் அது ஒரு சின்ன விதையிலிருந்து தான் வளருது. So, it is not enough if we plant the seed. It is not enough if we put our child into the school. We need to make these children grow into strong adults. How do we do that? Seed matto, veda matto, manla pota adu pattadu. We should ensure that the seed has strong roots. So, what kind of roots? We should see that the roots are put into soil that produces self-confidence, strong values and beliefs. It is apart. Parents matto and the values, confidence kudukama, children will learn it better from a school, because a child, the school is a society. So the child will learn from the school. Then, marathukku vera mattum irundha pathadu, we need to water. So the children need to be given hope. The children need to be shown kindness. The children need to show that they are loved. So, water the children every day with hope, love and kindness. Now, watering is not enough. We need them to be fertilized. Give them manure. Give them extra nutrients. And what are the nutrients? You are going to give them knowledge. We ask you to give them character and ask them to be dedicated. This is the manure. This is the nutrients that you give the plant, that you give the child, so that the child becomes strong all round. And then, care. Just like we have a tree in the house, kanja yelayangalam, we will sweep it away. Odanja pona kelaya thuki potuduvom. Perupo, we will sweep the place around. Same way, if you don't sweep, if you don't keep the plant, if you don't care for the plant will either die or you will get snakes coming around spoiling your plant. So we must also care for the children. Care so that they will become creative, intelligent, good citizens and develop a spirit of leadership. So your children are like small seeds. And you as teachers, you as parents have to love them, have to be kind to them. At the same time, put them into an environment that promotes knowledge, intelligence, a spirit of competition, but very healthy competition, so that they will become leaders for the future. What you produce in your schools is what we take into our colleges. A child is with you for 12 years. A child is with us for 3 years. So please, we want children that are all-rounded, because in 3 years we cannot create miracles in colleges. So I truly appreciate the kind of education that is being imparted here, because I feel it is very holistic, all-rounded. And as a parent, I too am a parent. I have 2 daughters, and these are some observations, or these are some mantras that I followed in parenting, which I would like to share with all of you. The first thing is, be involved with your children. School kamchirko, teachers solli paadam solli kuduthirupanga, adoda podum neenga nenikka koodadhu. When they come home, yes, we are tired. We also have worked. The child will come very excited. Amma iniki idu pannirken, appa idu pannirken. What do we say? Very often, Sumaru, tired ah irukken. Thodru pannadinga. Do not do this. The child is so enthusiastic. The moment you say, Tondru pannada, the child becomes demotivated. So, be interested in what your child is doing in the classroom. Get to know your child's teacher. யாருக்கிட்டயோ நான் விட்டுருக்கேன், டீச்சர் பேர் தெரியாம, அவங்க என்ன சொல்லி கொடுக்குறாங்கன்னு தெரியாம இருக்கக்கூடாது. Meet your teacher, meet your child's teacher. Get to know your teacher. The child, don't forget, வீட்ல நடக்கிறதெல்லாம் டீச்சருக்கு தெரியும். A child conveys everything that happens in the house. Though I am a teacher, my children used to tell me, உங்களுக்கு ஒன்னும் தெரியாத, எங்க மிஸ் இப்படி தான் சொல்லி கொடுத்தாங்க. So, get to know your teacher. Your teacher will be able to tell you what is happening with your child, sometimes much better than what you know. Express interest. அவங்க சொல்லாம நீங்களே கேளுங்க, இன்னைக்கு என்ன பண்ணிருக்கீங்க, டீச்சர் என்ன சொல்லி கொடுத்தாங்க, ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸோட என்ன பண்ணீங்க. Please ask your child what he or she is doing in the class. Inspect the school bag. ஸ்கூல் பேக்கை திறந்து உள்ள என்ன இருக்குன்னு பாருங்க. Children will bring interesting things from school, will take interesting things from the house to school. You should know why. It could be to say, I have it. இல்ல நேத்து சொல்லி கொடுத்தீங்களா, என் வீட்லயும் அப்படிதான் இருக்குன்னு சொல்லிட்டு உங்களுக்கு டீச்சருக்கோ கிளாஸ்மேட்ஸ்க்கு காமிக்கிறதுக்கு வாய்ப்பு இருக்கு. At the same time, they like something in school, அதுவும் பையில போட்டுட்டு வீட்டுக்கு எடுத்துன்னு வரதுக்கு வாய்ப்பு இருக்கு. So please look into your children's bags every day. Establish a homework routine. They come home, கொஞ்சம் ரெஸ்ட் எடுக்கட்டும். Then let them do some homework. Then please let them play. So establish a routine. After they come home, practice a routine. ஒரு நாளைக்கு இந்த டைம்ல இது செய்யணும்னு ஒரு routine நீங்க ஆரம்பிச்சா, the child will not get confused. The child will automatically know, okay, now I have finished playing, I have to study. I have finished studying, now I have to do something else. So plan a routine. Know the grades that your child is getting. கிளாஸ்ல ஒழுங்கா படிக்கிறாங்களா, டெஸ்ட் செஞ்சிருக்காங்களா, மார்க் என்ன, ஏன் மார்க் குறைஞ்சிருக்கு. நம்ம என்ன ரொம்ப ஃபேமஸ், இன்க்ளூடிங் மை செல்ஃப், ஒரு தப்பு பண்றோம்னா அவன் எவ்வளோ வாங்கினா அவ எவ்வளோ வாங்கியிருக்கா. My children used to tell me, Mommy, don't compare. But teacher, that is my way of thinking. But I realize it is wrong. I realize. So on the temptation, don't give in to the temptation of comparing. உங்க புள்ள என்ன மார்க் கிடைச்சிருக்கு அது பார்த்து you try to see where your strengths lie, where the child's strengths lie or the weaknesses lie. Network with other parents. உங்க classmate, உங்க புள்ளையோட classmates parents ஓட build a relationship. You can do a lot of sharing, you get good ideas. Don't become a group only to go and fight with the management. Form a group to also promote something extra in the school. Normally we get together only to fight. But try to make friendships among parents so that you can contribute something to the school. Don't always expect the school to do something for you. You do something for the school. And keep an watch on the activities of your child. Valara valara, your child will say, I'm going to play with my friends. அப்படியே விட்டுடாதீங்க. யார் கூட விளையாடுறாங்க, எங்க போறாங்க, என்ன சாப்பிடுறாங்க. Please keep a very big eye. ஏன்னா in today's world, so many things are going wrong. Okay, children face so much of danger. We say we are progressing. You say we belong to a cultured and a cultivated society. But the female child is at great risk. So please see what your child is doing, who is her or her friend, whose house the child is going to. ஒரு தடவை question பண்ணாம கொஞ்சம் what do you say, be a little aware, and doing all this I feel will produce a very healthy child, not only in the school but even in the home. So with these few words, I would like to congratulate all the children here who have won prizes in the various kind of activities. It's amazing. உங்க படிப்புக்கு மட்டும் இங்க prize கொடுக்கல. They give you prizes for being a motivator, for being good at speaking, for being good in games. So every child has the potential to receive a prize. ஏன்னா உங்க புள்ள பக்கத்து வீட்டு புள்ள மாதிரி இருக்கணும்னு தயவு செய்து எதிர்பார்க்காதீங்க. Your child cannot be equal to, greater than, worse off than the next child. Each child is unique. Adu we have to get into our heads. Subject knowledge la weak ah irundha, the child will have a strength in a different area. நீங்க தான் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். ஐயோ என் குழந்தை மக்குன்னு நீங்க எப்போதுமே அது சொல்லக்கூடாது. ஒரு ஏரியால வீக்னா இன்னொரு ஏரியால ஸ்ட்ராங்கா இருப்பாங்க. It is up to you to channelize your children's abilities, their aptitudes and their attitudes. So thank you very much. Congratulations to the establishment, to Acharya School, to the different branches of the school, and to all the teachers and to the chief mentor for making Acharya what it is today. Thank you.